In this session, let's learn about recoverer process. This recoverer process is only applicable to the distributed databases. This recoverer process automatically resolves failures involved in the distributed transactions. The recoverer process automatically connects to the other database involved in the distributed transaction and resolves all the in-doubt transactions. If necessary, it removes the rows from the table which is involved in the in-doubt transaction. Example, you have a distributed database with three databases and the user is trying to insert data into the customer table. If this insert has to be successful, this insert has to be performed in all the three databases. Now you insert in the first database and then in the second database, and before you insert the row in the third database, the second database and the third database is down. We know for the success of the transaction, the row needs to be inserted in all the three databases, but the second and the third database is down. So that's not good, right? In such scenarios, whenever the second database and the third database is up, the recoverer process automatically connects to the second database and the third database and resolves all the in-doubt transactions. In our example, in the second database, we have inserted a row. So it will remove that row. In the third database, we didn't insert any row, so it doesn't do anything. In the first database, we have inserted the row, so it will remove the row from the first database. Like this, in a distributed environment, recoverer helps in resolving the in-doubt transactions. Okay?